So I said I'd bring you back when I did the rear wheel. Technically this is the next day and I'm doing the rear wheel. Got the front wheel balanced, got it on. So now I'm going to see how much easier it is to do the rear wheel with this machine instead of the various other ways I've done it before. Full disclosure, I bought this with my own money, non-sponsored. Second disclosure, it's 90 degrees outside. I've been working out here for 3 hours already. No AC, so I'm already sweaty. But my hands are dry. Right? My clothes are wet, my hands are dry. Technically I could close the doors and turn the ACs on. Okay, so now the ACs are on. That's what all the background noise is. If I was a smarter YouTuber, I'd know how to pull that out during editing. But I don't. So here we go. First thing is we're going to break the bead. So now we install the duck head, and so it's grooved to go over the edge of the rim, and then it's plastic coated so that it doesn't scratch the rim. to grab the tire and we're going to flip it over the edge of this duck head. But first, we have these handy dandy keep it in the center drop things. So when you buy this thing, they send you a pound of bead grease and or a kilo and a brush. This seems to work better than soapy water. Make sure your arrows are oriented correctly. So it goes over this part and under this part, and that's what tucks it in. And then these drops keep the tire in the center so it'll rotate easier. That wasn't good. Slides easier. Struggled a little bit. There was some flexing, but I think that's because of the size of the rim. Was it hard? No. My first time doing the rear tire. So for the first time doing the rear tire, it wasn't that hard. Will it be easier the next time? Maybe so. You don't have to keep storing this up here when you're using it, but it works for me. There's a little bit of a gap between the rotating part and the rim. It sits up here, probably about 2 inches. So that might have something to do with it. They did put a rubber shim in here, or there is a plastic shim that goes in here. But you saw it, it worked. It worked! I was sweating before, but my hands aren't sweaty. My arms aren't dripping. You can see that the inside of this is not scratched or pitted or marred up. The rim looks good. It just floats right here on the outside, non-finished portion. The more I do, the better I'll get. How's that? These tires are coming off September-ish for replacements. Well, maybe August. There's about 2.5 millimeters of tread left. They won't make the next trip. This thing's kind of expensive. They ran a Memorial Day sale, 75 bucks off. That's why I bought it. I was on Marketplace for months and I missed 2. So they do pop up on Marketplace, but not that often. So, you know, the alternative is to wait until the next sale and get them when they're a little bit cheaper. So now I got to balance this, and then I got to clean that swing arm and then throw it back on the bike. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.